Hi there, it's Jeff Greenberg. Today I want to show you something better than the standard way to remove an application. That would be to go ahead and put it to the trash. I don't think this is good enough. I want to show you why. I'm going to give you a free tool called AppCleaner that does a much more thorough job. Now, Apple says to go ahead and just put it right in the trash. In fact, this is the tech note here. You can use Launchpad, which I don't use, and the Finder says just go ahead and put it into the trash. The funny thing is, it leaves a lot of pieces on your system. If you open up your library, that would be the Go menu, Library, you'll see that there are items here like application support. And if I open this up, there's just tons and tons of pieces of application left on my system after I've gone ahead and deleted it. That's where FreeMacSoft software comes out, AppCleaner. That's freemacsoft.net. Literally, you drag your app there, it shows you what it's going to delete, and then you can actually say, delete it. Let's go ahead here and take a look. So I've launched AppCleaner, and I'm going to take this Tomates Lite. This is a Pomodoro timer. I don't need it on my system anymore. I'm just going to drag and drop it here. It does a quick search, and you'll see, yeah, it's found the application, but it's also found these pieces in application scripts, in containers, the bill of materials, it's a BOM, the preference list. And when I hit remove, it's totally going to be removed from my system. And you can choose, if you'd like, to keep pieces of it. You may or may not have to put in your password. I'm going to tell you, of course, that you should have a full backup of your system. I'm not responsible if this gives you problems, but I've been using this for years and years. And in fact, I just don't delete software anymore without it. It even has a really cool feature in its preferences. It's protecting your Mac OS apps. It can be chosen to protect anything running, and it can even run in the background a smart delete, meaning you can use Apple's move it to trash, and it automatically will kick in to give you advice about other things you might want to delete. So let's delete one more item. Here's Sensible Side Buttons. I've stopped using it. I'm going to drag, drop. It's pulling out the applications, pulling out the preference list. I'm going to hit remove, and it's gone. So this is AppCleaner. It's a super simple way and a real way to actually clear out all the pieces of an app. I'm Jeff Greenberg. I'm Film Geek on all your favorite social networks. As always, feel free to ask questions or reach out here. Hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching.